Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you 10 winter beauty hacks that works under 2 minutes. So I've specially curated for you all to make you look and feel beautiful this winter. So let's get started. So add 1 teaspoon of rock salt, also known as Himalayan pink salt, into a bowl. Then pour half cup of hot water. Stir until it dissolves completely. With the help of a cotton pad, gently clean your face. Repeat 2 times and let it sit for a minute, and then rinse off with cool water. This works as a great cleanser for oily skin and for those suffering from large pores. It's a natural antiseptic. It kills acne, causing bacteria, shrink large pores and diminishes scars. Next hack is smooth frizz and calm your dry hair ends. Jojoba oil is a non-sticky moisturizing oil, fills in the crack and helps to seal split ends and combat hair dryness. So just spray a tiny amount of jojoba oil to your hair ends and then lightly massage. Then comb to discover instant shine, smooth and frizz-free locks. Winter makes us look fatter, so losing fat from face and belly can be quite challenging. So here I have one quick exercise to instantly lose cheek fat and make it look slightly slim and toned. So try the rotating tongue exercise. So rotate your tongue in circular motion. While rotating, the tongue must touch the outer surface of your upper and lower teeth. So repeat 15 times each in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. So do 2 sets. So try it right now to see an instant decrease in your cheek fat. So during winter we experience a lot of hair fall and dandruff. So in order to get rid of this problem, practice the nail rubbing exercise for 2 minutes. The nail rubbing exercise, also known as the balayam yoga. So how it works is that the roots of the hair follicles connected to the fingernails pump energy to the scalp, thus stimulating the blood flow to the scalp and reducing hair fall, dandruff and premature hair grey. Cold dry winds steal moisture, giving you a dry, dull and ashy appearance. So here is the fix. So fill a spray bottle with rose water, add 5 to 6 drops of glycerine, then add 7 to 8 drops of sweet almond oil. So before using, shake really well. So mist lightly throughout the day for refreshing, adding moisture and glow. Shrink large pores naturally during winter, cure dryness and make it super soft. So all you have to do is take some honey and apply on your face. Wet your fingertips with warm water and massage for a minute. Wash it off with cold water. This will tighten your pores, it will cure dryness and make it super soft in a jiffy. Winter is hard on our hands. It makes the skin super rough, dry, cracked and dull. So here is a 2 ingredient recipe that you can try to make it soft, smooth and glowing in a couple of minutes. So you need 1 fully ripe banana. Then add a big teaspoon of coconut oil. Mash it with the help of a spoon or using your fingers. Apply all over your hands and gently rub for 2 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water and enjoy your silky, soft and glowing hands. In winter, the skin under the eyes allows fluid to build up, resulting in dark circles and puffy eyes. So here I have one quick solution to get rid of this problem. Massage a blend of cucumber and aloe vera gel to the area around your eyes for 2 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. This will instantly reduce under-eye puffiness and will energize, refresh and brighten your under-eye area. Want to brighten and lighten your complexion in winter and that too under 2 minutes? So try this facial. So for this you need 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, then pour some honey and add some orange juice. Mix well and apply onto clean face. Rub for 30 seconds and then leave it on for a minute and then rinse off with cool water. And second step is apply some avocado oil. Now I'll show you a detox drink that will keep all your winter problems at bay. It will result in clear glowing skin and slim belly. So pour a glass of hot boiling water into a bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of organic cumin seeds. You can also use the regular cumin seeds. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of rock salt. Then take ½ inch of ginger and crush it and add to the hot water. Let it sit until it cools down completely. Strain the water into a glass bottle so that you can carry this refreshing drink anywhere. Then add 1/4 slice of fresh lemon juice and a little amount of honey. That's all. Shake well and enjoy this refreshing, energizing and weight reducing and skin beautifying drink in winter. So these were the 10 life-changing beauty hacks for winter. And also keep watching because now I'm going to share with you something special for you and also for our YouTube family. So guys, I have some special news for you. So as you know that our channel has reached more than 1 million subscribers. So I got this YouTube gold play button, as you can see here. I have unboxed it because actually if you are following me on Instagram, you might know that I have already shared it 2 months back, but due to some reasons I couldn't share on my YouTube channel. So here it is. So thank you so much for making it happen. And along with this, I have also got one letter from YouTube CEO for reaching 1 million subscribers, and this is something new that I've received. This is Recognize Your Team. This is one society award, and also I have some special announcement for you. So next week I'll be conducting one giveaway contest, so do participate. So keep loving and keep sharing. So thank you all for the love and support, and do subscribe to your only natural beauty channel. So take care and bye.